Chicken shashlik is an Indo-Chinese recipe made with boneless chicken, bell peppers, and red onion. The word shashlik refers to skewered and grilled meat, similar to, and possibly a derivative of, shish kebab. It's especially popular in Russia and Central Asia, where it was traditionally made with mutton.
The amount of tomato-y flavor. Shashlik is a bit more ketchup-y.
And I thank God every day for the girl he sent my way.
Ketchup and tomato paste are the key ingredients that add tang and bold tomato flavor to the sauce. Chili garlic sauce is a better option to put, for a tangy sweet flavor.
And that's a feeling I wanna get used to. But there's no man is terrified.